16.
16.
60, 60.
16.
16, 16. His sisters and his all
Friends.
friends.
Yes. Telling as a Kul Devi, your Kul Devi family goddess.
In the India, they have a lineage and ancestor, lineage. Parampara, we call our parampara. So every Indian people have own goddess, parampara, lineage, or called ancestor goddess.
And then
Bhairav.
here is the Bhairav, the area DIG and police inspector.
DIG, Bhairav. Bhairav is guiding and always welcoming who to come in this divine place.
Yes. And here is your Vastu Devta, the architecture of whole this Yagyashala and our living place. We are telling and making proper way, proper architect this temple. This is called a Vastu according to Vastu. This temple Dev is Vastu Devta.
According the Vishwakarma, God who are the building this world, the Vastu that called the Vishwakarma Bhagavan, the God, one God named Vastu God is called Vishwakarma Bhagavan, and he know how to build and which way should be door, which way should be the kitchen and etc. So he is the our Vastu, who know that architecture knowledge God.
Okay. And then here is your Yogini Peeth, the sisters and friends of Devi Durga. 64 asan he is here for 64 Yogini.
64 Yogini, you know that we have many goddess. 64, that is sisters, and they have all asanas to come there and sit and enjoy and guide us and bless us.
Okay. Here is Kshetrapal Devta. They protect our Kshetra. Kshetra means area. For protect for this area, we are inviting here the Kshetrapal. The negative energy, we are doing positive karma, then negative energy come very quickly. To destroy this negativity, we are inviting Kshetrapal Bhagwan to protect the all kind of this Kshetra. Kshetra means area. We are inviting Kshetrapal Bhagwan here.
Kshetrapal, you know that Kshetrapal means the protecting negative energy moving and positive energy giving to us and removing negative energy from here to his guiding this place.
Okay. In the center of we are telling Sarvato Bhadramandal Peeth. Here is we are giving the higher seat of Lord Shiva. Higher seat of Lord Shiva for this temple is belonging to Lord Shiva. Every temple belonging to different kind of goddess. We are giving here according to the temple higher seat for his goddess. We are here giving Lord Shiva higher seat like cabinet minister. Understand? Yes. Prime Minister. Our Lord Shiva is the Prime Minister of all this karma. And there we are inviting 9 kind of Graha Mandal, telling as Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Budh, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Rahu and Ketu, different kind of 9 planets. They are affecting our Janma Kundali and different kind of things. And we are inviting here to please protect us and giving blessing. There we are inviting 11 types of Lord Shiva, telling as Ekadash Rudra. They are different of faces, different of energy and different of blessing. We are telling you about this all this because this Yagyashala and all this doing with the Vedic Parampara. Our Yogesh Puriji telling me, please do with Vedic Parampara proper way, because he is also doing this mandir from Vedic Parampara and Vastu Parampara. There is the different kind of 108 herbs we are purchased from Bangalore. Different herbs we are offering to the God by the mantra, and the effect of this positivity, this area and our human being and all kind of peace come to our earth, and this positive energy living in this temple and blessing us. Okay, that is the reason why we are explaining you. Here we are inviting all goddess, then we are doing a puja, like you are inviting to our Vishwa Guruji in your holy home, and then making a tilak and giving some kind of gifts and all these things, then we are doing here to our goddess by the giving all kind of things we have, and we are offering to the all kind of goddess, and please accept it and please give us blessing. This is the reason you are sitting here. Just listen the bhajan and just make a concentration. You are offering, okay, one by one I am telling you what we are offering to the God. Okay, now we are by the mantra inviting. First take a flower, Surajji, and then invite all these goddess. By the bhajan we are inviting Lord Ganesha and all the goddess. एक बार मैया मारी